Let's look at two students. Rohan was the top scorer in his 12th grade class, securing an impressive 95%. His classmate, Veer, barely scraped by with a 60%. Take a look at this build-in. Rohan successfully cracked the highly competitive exams to secure a seat at the elite Indian Institute of Technology. 6 years later, their positions have completely reversed. Veer is taking home 2.5 lakhs every single month, while Rohan, the elite graduate, is entirely unemployed. This is a systemic outcome. India produces roughly 15 lakh engineers every single year. Look at this crowd. These are the faces of the 40% of those engineers, including graduates from top-tier institutions, who remain completely unable to find work. Traditional degrees supply theoretical knowledge, but modern markets pay for specific, actionable digital skills. In the next few minutes, we will walk through the exact blueprint to build a highly profitable, no-code digital agency from scratch. Check your phone's screen time settings right now. If you can trade just 1 hour of daily social media scrolling for 6 months of focused execution, you can bypass the unemployment trap entirely. Step 1 of this blueprint is mastering AI prompting. This is the foundational skill that makes the rest of the business model possible. Your first task is a 21-day familiarization phase. Spend this time simply conversing with tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude to clearly understand how they process information. This split-screen comparison shows exactly why the human element matters. A basic prompt on the left yields a generic, unusable output. But when you supply a highly specific command on the right, the tool delivers a professional, high-value asset. Once you master precise prompting, you can immediately sell secondary services like script writing for creators or SEO-optimized LinkedIn posts for corporate executives. Step 2 is building your core product, an AI-generated website. This is what you will actually sell to local clients. You do not need to know a single line of code for this. No C++ programming, no Java code, and no HTML. Now closely watch this screen recording demonstration. Using modern AI builders, a completely blank canvas can be assembled into a fully functional, sleek layout for a local gym in under 5 minutes. Pick one specific local business in your area, like a neighborhood gym or cafe, and use these tools to build them one high-quality sample website completely for free. By utilizing AI generation, you skip years of technical training and immediately hold a premium, finished digital product in your hands. Step number 3 is mastering meta ads. A website is useless if no one visits it, so these ads serve as the growth engine that makes your product valuable to a client. Be prepared to invest 2 to 4 months studying free YouTube courses to properly understand how to configure and run these ad campaigns. Let's stick with our local gym example. A gym owner is highly motivated to pay you because they rely entirely on consistent foot traffic from the immediate neighborhood. On this map, you can see how the Meta Ads Manager works. It allows you to place a digital fence around that specific gym, expanding outward to target only the people living within a few miles. This hyper-local targeting puts the gym directly in front of the right audience, which translates immediately into new memberships and foot traffic. Step number 4 is making the pitch. Walk into that local gym, hand them the free sample website you built in Step 2, and offer to attach your localized growth engine to it. For your very first client, charge a nominal setup fee of around 3,000 to 5,000 rupees. This drastically lowers their barrier to entry and gets your foot in the door. To manage the common fear of rejection, you need to rely on a strict 4-pillar communication framework when you deliver this pitch. This checklist breaks down the approach. First, maintain street posture to project authority. Second, use deliberate hand movements while you speak to convey comfort and confidence. The third pillar is holding steady eye contact to establish trust. Finally, speak at a measured, normal speed so you don't come across as nervous. When you present a free, high-value AI product and attach a proven digital growth engine and deliver it with confidence, the offer makes total financial sense to the business owner. That is the entire process. Generate a high-quality sample website, learn to drive local traffic with targeted ads, and execute a structured pitch. Look at this sea of academic robes. Relying strictly on a formal degree is an outdated strategy, leaving millions of capable people without a paycheck. Make your commitment public right now. Open your phone, Find your daily screen time and drop that exact number in the comment section below. Then, close your social media apps and start day 1 of your 21-day AI familiarization phase. Execution dictates your future. Get to work.